The devastating impact of a 5-pound antimatter bomb over Los Angeles. Imagine a warm, sunny day in Los Angeles, a city of over 10 million people going about their daily lives. But then, without warning, a new kind of weapon is unleashed, a weapon the world has only theorized about, a 5-pound antimatter bomb. But what exactly is an antimatter bomb? Antimatter is the mirror opposite of ordinary matter. When antimatter meets matter, they annihilate each other, releasing pure energy, an amount that's far beyond anything a nuclear bomb could produce. In fact, just 1 pound of antimatter could release energy equivalent to 20 million tons of TNT. So, a 5-pound antimatter bomb would unleash the power of 100 million tons of TNT, an explosion thousands of times stronger than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. When the antimatter bomb detonates above Los Angeles, the explosion creates an enormous fireball. At the center, temperatures reach millions of degrees, instantly vaporizing everything within a 5-mile radius. Buildings, streets, and people simply disappear in the flash. But the destruction spreads much further. Intense heat ignites buildings, trees, and causes third-degree burns up to 46 miles from the epicenter. Following the heat wave, a violent shockwave tears through the city at hundreds of miles per hour, leveling skyscrapers, toppling homes, and hurling debris at deadly speeds. Hundreds of thousands to millions of people would lose their lives in mere seconds. Millions more would suffer life-threatening burns, severe injuries, and traumatic shock. Hospitals across California are overwhelmed, and emergency response is all but impossible. But the impact doesn't end there. Beyond Los Angeles, cities like Long Beach, Pasadena, and Anaheim feel the force of the blast. Windows shatter as far as 35 miles away, and people miles from the center are knocked to the ground. Fires rage across Southern California, sending toxic smoke billowing into the atmosphere. The human toll is unimaginable. Millions are dead. Millions more are displaced, many suffering from severe burns and psychological trauma. With communication networks and power grids down, the region is plunged into chaos, leaving survivors isolated, desperate for food, water, and shelter. The effects would ripple far beyond Los Angeles. The explosion injects ash and debris into the atmosphere, drifting over California and beyond. Agriculture would suffer, water sources could be contaminated, and air quality would plummet. In an instant, a 5-pound antimatter bomb could reduce one of the world's largest cities to ashes and alter the lives of millions forever. This is the terrifying potential of antimatter, unmatched destruction, and a haunting reminder of humanity's power to create and destroy.